Welcome to the LACTS training video titled Creating, Assigning, Updating, and Removing Users. Let's start by looking at how to create a user. First, we need to add the user to your organization. Start off by going to Ohio MHAS's webpage. Scroll down and you'll find a box labeled Licensure and Certification. Click on the link. This will take you to the Licensure and Certification homepage. On this page, you will see the LACTS user account link. Click on it and this will take you to the Licensure and Certification tracking system. If you are an existing user, meaning you already have access to LACTS, you can click here. For the rest of us, we're going to click here for new user registration. From here, you will need to enter your organization's EIN number, also commonly referred to as a federal tax ID number. If you do not have an EIN for your organization, we have provided a link where you can click to apply. Once you enter your EIN number in the search box, click the button that says Lookup Organization. As you can see, a drop box will appear where you should see your organization listed. If for some reason your organization isn't listed, you will need to call our help desk using the number provided on the screen. Once you have selected your organization from the drop-down box, click the button labeled User Registration. This button will take you to the new user registration email lookup screen. Here you will enter the user's email and click the button labeled Continue. On the next screen, you will list the information needed to register your new user. The required fields are first and last name, along with the user's office telephone number. Once you have completed entering in all the information required, click the button labeled Create User Account. If you created the account successfully, you will be prompted by this screen. Next, let's look at assigning a role to the recently created user. First, you need to log into iPortal by going to the address listed on the screen. Once you log into iPortal, you will go to the upper left-hand corner of the screen to Admin, then Users. On this screen, enter the user's email address, then push the button labeled Search. You can click on the link to the left of the user's name labeled Assign Role. On this screen, you will select the application you wish to give the user access to. In this case, we want to give the user access to the LACTS system. Next, you will be presented with a drop-down that lists all of the organizations you have under your iPortal account. Select the organization you wish to give the user access to. In this case, Angels of America. Next, you will need to assign that user a role. There are two roles, Applicant and Organization Administrator. Each can view all of the information in the organization's account and fill out an application. Only an organization administrator can attest to an application before it is submitted. This is an electronic signature attesting that the information in the application is accurate to the best of this person's knowledge and belief. For this example, we will select Applicant and then click the button labeled Submit to assign that user under the role of Applicant. Now let's say you want to change that user's role. So again, you'll need to assign that user a role by clicking on the link to the left of the user's name labeled Assign Role. Now we need to select the same application, LACTS, and also we need to select the same organization, Angels of America. Next, we're going to switch the role from Applicant to Organization Administrator and click the button labeled Submit. Finally, let's talk about how to remove a role from a user. Once you have the user pulled up, simply click on the link that says Assign Role, select the application, the organization, and remove the user's access by unclicking the checkbox and pushing the Submit button, and that's it. Thank you for watching this LACTS training video. If you have any other questions, please contact our help desk.